Ever wondered how to make a delicious chicken piccata without cream? This Italian-American classic, typically drenched in a rich, creamy sauce, is about to get a light and flavorful makeover. We're talking about crispy chicken cutlets, bathed in a tangy mushroom sauce that's absolutely cream-free. This video will guide you step by step on how to create this delectable dish that's sure to impress your taste buds. Ready to learn how to make this mouth-watering dish? Stay tuned. Before we start, gather up these ingredients. First, you'll need chicken breasts, either minced or thinly sliced. This will form the core of our dish. For seasoning, we'll need some salt and pepper to taste. This will add that essential savory flavor to our chicken. Next, we'll need flour for coating. This will give our chicken that delightful crunch we're after. A couple of whisked eggs will serve as our binding agent, ensuring the flour sticks to the chicken. Then, we'll need mushrooms, sliced into thin pieces. These will add a unique texture and earthy flavor to complement our chicken. Lastly, we'll need oil for frying. This is what will give our chicken that golden, crispy exterior. Now that we have everything we need, it's time to start cooking. The beauty of this dish lies in its simplicity and the harmony of its ingredients. And remember, the key to a great dish is in the quality of the ingredients. So choose the freshest produce you can find. First, we'll prepare the chicken. Begin with the chicken breasts. If they're thick, you'll want to thin them down. Use a meat mallet or the back of a frying pan to gently pound them until they're about ½ centimeter thick. Now, let's season them. Sprinkle some salt and black pepper on both sides of the chicken pieces. Give them a gentle press to ensure the seasoning adheres well. Next, we'll move on to the coating process. Dip each chicken slice into some flour, ensuring they're well covered. Then dunk them into a bowl of beaten eggs. After this, give them another roll in the flour. This double dipping process will help give our chicken a deliciously crispy crust. And there we have it. Our chicken is now prepped and ready for the next stage. With our chicken ready, we can move on to frying. Now heat the oil in a large pan over medium to high heat. As the oil warms up, it's time to bring in our thinly sliced chicken. Gently place the slices into the sizzling pan. Be mindful not to overcrowd the pan. We want each piece to have its own space to become perfectly crispy. As they sizzle away, turn them occasionally with a pair of tongs. This ensures even cooking and also gives us those beautiful golden hues we're after. The chicken will need about 4 to 5 minutes to cook. You'll know it's ready when it turns a pale golden color and becomes crispy on the outside. Cooking is all about patience, so resist the urge to crank up the heat. We don't want to rush this process and risk drying out the chicken. When the chicken is cooked to perfection, transfer it to a plate lined with kitchen paper to absorb excess oil. It's as simple as that. Now we're ready to move on to the next step. In the same pan, add the sliced mushrooms. Let's sauté them to perfection. To achieve this, you'll want to cook them until they've softened up and adopted a light golden hue. This might take a few minutes, but trust me, the wait is worth it. The mushrooms will not only look more appealing, but their flavors will be enhanced, making them the perfect complement to your crispy chicken. Now serve the chicken slices with the mushrooms and enjoy. And there you have it, a delicious chicken piccata without cream. We've journeyed through each step together, from preparing our thinly sliced chicken breasts, seasoning them just right with salt and pepper, and giving them a crispy coat with flour and beaten eggs. We then fried them to a perfect golden hue, ensuring they stayed juicy on the inside while crispy on the outside. We also took our thinly sliced mushrooms for a quick sauté in the same pan, absorbing all those wonderful chicken flavors. The result? A delectable mushroom chicken medley that's light on the stomach, yet full of flavor. So why not give it a shot? The ingredients are simple, the steps are easy, and the result is absolutely worth it. It's a perfect main course that you can easily whip up for a family dinner or a casual get-together with friends. Enjoy this light and tasty main dish with your family or friends. Until next time, happy cooking!